Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm cooking Saag Aloo, and here's all the ingredient I need. And the dry spice, I'm using pinch of kasturi methi and 1 teaspoon of zira, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder. So here's all the dry spice, and I'm using about 6 cloves of garlic fine chopped and 3 green chili and 2 tomatoes I cut small pieces, and I'm using 3 boiled potato. I boiled the potato and I cut it half, and I'm using 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, and I'm using frozen spinach. You could use fresh if you want it, and it's like one, just say small bowl of. So I'm heating up the it's a low heat now, and I'm gonna add all the ingredients. I'm adding the onions now, and spinach, and the garlic, and I left a little bit garlic there for later on, and I'm gonna add all the dry spice now. So I'm gonna leave the kasturi methi and the zira for later, just adding those first. So I'm gonna add about, I put the heat high now, and I'm gonna add 1 mug of water. Just get the water now. So I'm gonna use all the ingredient to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, so get everything soft and cooked. So it's a teaspoon of salt now as your taste. Just gonna leave that for a high heat, but between that can you check as well, and if you needed any stir you could stir all. I'm just gonna just make sure all there. So just gonna put the lid on for, so that's after 15 minutes. As you could see, everything gone soft. So I'm gonna just try to look. Yes, that's what I need. This is the contents that I need. So I'm just gonna take this out, and I'm gonna get another pan. I'm just gonna heat it up. It's in a medium heat. So I'm gonna add the oil now. It's a 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil I'm using. So it's gonna be about 2 tablespoons. So let it heat up. Just gonna, now I'm just gonna add the kasturi methi and the zira now. Give it a couple of seconds till it's get roasted. So I'm just gonna add the garlic what I left early, some. So I just used more than half over there. I'm just using just about maybe 2 teaspoons of it now. So give it a good stir, everything. About over a minute till the garlic gets golden brown. So I'm just adding the tomatoes now. It's coming lovely smell now. So at that point I'm gonna add the potatoes, so it's like getting roast, like fry, sort of lovely flavor into the potatoes. Just give it a good mix. So I need everything to get the spice, everything get. I'm gonna put the lid on for a couple of minutes. So after 2 minutes, as you can see, the tomatoes are getting soft. Yes, it's soft. That's the I need, like this. So at this point I'm gonna add the spinach now. So I'm just gonna give it a good mix, but try to mix it slowly, otherwise the potatoes are very soft, so you don't want to get break. So just try to mix it slowly. So at this point I'm gonna leave it for a couple of minutes to everything get together. Just gonna put the lid on. So it's after 4 minutes actually, and as you could see it's ready, everything cooked and everything is. Just gonna try to mix with the spoon now, yeah, slowly. So as you can see it's nice now and it tastes lovely. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you on my next video. Assalamu alaikum, and please, if you do like, can you do subscribe.